In this tutorial, I want to go over each of the headers in the jobs in a bit more detail. Clicking onto a job, the first header you get is job details. This is going to give you information on the store. The second header is for any supporting documents like a risk assessment that might be beneficial to the job. In the third header, appliances, we can see the list of appliances that we need to carry out tasks on to complete those PPMs. You can also filter how to view those assets in this box here, and you can also sort by location or asset type. You can also add new assets if these are missing from your stores. In the fourth header down, you can add photos of your job. You can also add notes. On the final header, you have the visit outcome. You can change the visit outcome to reflect what's happening on your job. 9 times out of 10, you'll be clicking complete. But you can also add things like return visit needed if that's what's correct for your job at the time. Jumping into appliances, you have a few more headers, and these are quite similar to the first ones. The first details header gives you information on that asset. In here, you can actually do things like change the location and change the asset description to better fit your store layout. Inspection is your current inspection you're carrying out, and you can also add notes. Worksheets are where you're taking the temperatures or carrying out the PPM tasks and entering that data. You can also add photos of assets. This could be useful for showing other technicians the location for certain hard-to-reach assets, or maybe to flag up assets that are broken and need urgent attention. In the next header down, you have inspection history. As we move over to the digital copy of the logbook, you'll be able to see previous data entries for each asset. The final header is defect codes. You'll be able to add defect codes to better describe issues with that asset. For example, temperatures not getting hot enough when recording a hot temperature, or getting too hot when recording a cold temperature. You can also add asset codes like broken, needs urgent attention. If you need to add some information on the asset, scroll down the defect code list and use the one which is most appropriate for your job.